Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today, we're going to practice English and talk about one of the most fun topics, music.
Music is everywhere, at home, in the car, at parties, and it's a favorite topic for IELTS speaking. Today, we'll answer questions, explain vocabulary, and share little stories too.
That's right, and listeners, you can repeat after us, answer the questions yourself, or even pause the podcast and practice speaking. Ready?
Ready. Let's start with something simple. First question, what kind of music do you like?
I really enjoy pop music. Pop songs are usually happy and easy to remember. I like them when I'm cooking or walking because they make me feel energetic.
That's nice. I like calm music, like acoustic songs with soft guitar and gentle singing. I listen to them when I relax at home, especially at night.
And this is a good tip for IELTS. Always give a reason why you like something. For example, I like pop music because it makes me feel happy. Simple and clear.
Exactly. Next question. How often do you listen to music?
Every day. Sometimes in the morning to wake up, sometimes in the evening to relax.
Same here. Music is part of my daily routine, and I notice it can change my mood instantly.
That's a great point. By the way, mood means how you feel. Happy, sad, calm, or excited.
Good vocabulary for IELTS. Okay, next question. Do you listen to music alone or with friends?
Both. Alone, I can focus on the lyrics. With friends, it's more fun. We can sing together or talk about the songs.
Yes, and you can use this in IELTS too. For example, I usually listen to music alone because it helps me relax, but I enjoy sharing music with friends at parties.
Now let's try a cue card question, like in part 2 of IELTS. Describe your favorite song.
Okay, my favorite song is Perfect by Ed Sheeran. I love it because the melody is soft and romantic. The lyrics are simple, but they feel very real. I usually listen to it when I feel tired or stressed because it calms me down.
That's great. Remember, in IELTS, you can also add a personal story. For example, I sang this song with my friend at school once. That memory makes the song even more special.
Yes, it makes your answer more interesting and personal.
Now, my turn. Describe a singer or band you admire.
Go ahead.
I like Coldplay, the British band. Their songs are emotional and powerful. I especially love their live concerts. The music, the lights, and the audience singing together, it's amazing. Listening to Coldplay motivates me and makes me feel inspired.
Perfect. And we just introduced another IELTS tip. Use descriptive words. Words like powerful, emotional, amazing make your answer more vivid.
Let's add another cue card topic. Describe a music concert you have attended or would like to attend.
Ooh, I have a story for this. I went to a small acoustic concert last year. It was outside in a park. The weather was nice and the singer was amazing. Everyone was quiet and listening carefully. It was a very peaceful experience. I remember thinking, music can really make people feel connected.
That's a lovely story. And you can use future tense too if you haven't attended one yet. For example, I would love to attend a Coldplay concert because their live shows are very energetic and colorful.
Okay, now part 3. Do you think music can change your mood?
Absolutely. If I'm sad, I listen to happy or energetic songs to feel better. Slow music helps me relax.
Me too. Music is like therapy. Even if you don't understand the words, the rhythm or melody can make you feel happy or calm.
Another question. Is it better to listen to new songs or old songs?
Both. Old songs are comforting because we know them well. New songs are exciting because they can surprise us with new sounds.
Good answer. And you can also give examples in IELTS. For instance, I like old songs from the 1990s because they remind me of my childhood.
Great! Next question. Do you prefer digital music or CDs?
Digital music, definitely. It's easy to carry hundreds of songs on my phone, but sometimes I like CDs because they feel special and the sound is richer.
Yes, that's perfect. And this is another tip. Always give a reason for your choice. IELTS examiners love that.
Let's explain some music vocabulary today.
Genre, type of music like pop, rock, or jazz. Lyrics, the words of a song. Melody, the tune you sing or hum. Beat, the rhythm that makes you want to move.
And we can use them in sentences. My favorite genre is pop because the beats are exciting. I like songs with beautiful lyrics that tell a story. The melody of this song is very relaxing.
Let's also share a funny story about music. Once, I tried to sing my favorite song loudly at home, but my cat ran away.
That's funny. I once sang a song in the shower, and my neighbor started singing too. Together, we sounded like a concert.
All right, listeners, now it's your turn. Try answering these questions. What kind of music do you like?
Describe your favorite song. Describe a singer or band you admire. Do you think music changes your mood?
You can record yourself, compare with our answers, and try adding personal stories. Remember, the more details you give, the higher your score in IELTS. Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you had fun and learned new words and tips.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the podcast if you enjoyed it.
Both. See you next time. Bye.